Okay, good morning to all of you. Cadets, we are going to discuss about the properties of acids. After discussion of modern concept of acid, modern concept and theory, now we are having the properties of acid. How can you find out the nature of acid by the different reactions and the different observation? So we are just going to explain or discuss about the properties of acids. The first property is salt test. Salt test. The second is corrosive nature. Corrosive nature. Third is gives H plus ions. Fourth is proton donor. Fifth is it turns blue litmus into red. It turns methyl orange into red. Okay. So first of all, you should discuss about these properties. Salt test, you know, the acid is generally salt. The taste of acid is sour, but same time we only take the taste of organic acid. We should not even think about the inorganic acid, because all inorganic acids are a strong acid, whereas all organic acids are weak acid. That's why we are able to eat this type of acid like lactic acid, formic acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, malic acid, acetic acid. So many acid, organic acid we are used to eat along the diet. Okay. Next is corrosive nature. What is the corrosive nature? Corrosive nature means eating and burning nature. What is the eating and burning nature? Means if you by chance acid pour on your skin or anywhere, that layer will burn. The outer surface of that matter or the skin will burn, and it will have the causes. It will have the blister. Okay, and same time that acid also destroy or react with the plant and any other and burn it. Acid also corrode the monuments like the Taj Mahal and other monuments and shrines. So this is also the cause for the acid rain. Gives H plus ion. Generally, when chemicals dissolve in water and gives H plus ion, it means that is acid. And acid also, in another concept of the scientist Bronsted-Lowry, the gives H plus ion is according to the Arrhenius theory. Proton donor according to the Bronsted and Lowry theory. In proton donor, acid gives proton, means H plus. Here H plus is also known as here proton, means acid. If acid is there, then it will give proton, means H plus ion. The next is it turns blue litmus red, means if you are talking about the indicator, the result of indicator, whenever the blue indicator introduced with the blue litmus paper introduced with the acid, it will have the red color. It means this is the acid. Okay. The methyl orange, the synthetic indicator, methyl orange, if you introduce with the acid, it will have the red color. Okay. Now some other chemical properties based on the reaction. First, acid react with metals. Metals give salt plus water. One example, acid gives like HCl plus zinc is equal to zinc chloride plus water. Sorry, when the acid reacts with metals, hydrogen gas form. Okay, hydrogen gas, not water. Okay, and when acid react with metallic oxide and hydroxide, then form salt plus water. Some example for this: calcium hydroxide plus, first of all, acid, we just write acid, H2SO4 plus calcium hydroxide is equal to what salt is formed? Calcium sulfate plus water. You can see here how many hydrogen here? 2. Then we just write 2. 4 oxygen and 2 6. So 4 oxygen here and 2 oxygen here 6. Third is, whenever acid react with acid plus once again salt, then what is formed? Salt and acid. Salt plus acid. For example of this reaction, acid, you just write here H2SO4 plus sodium chloride. What is formed? Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 plus HCl. You can balance the reaction here. How many hydrogen here? 2. Okay, it's a balance. Okay. Another reaction you can also give. For another reaction you also give. Another reaction. When acid react with carbonate or bicarbonate. What is formed? Salt plus CO2 and plus water. You can give the example for this: acid H2SO4 plus sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda and also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. So the reaction, when reaction is there, then Na2SO4 plus CO2 gas, water, carbon dioxide gas and water is there. Balance, just balance here. And how many? Yes, balance. Carbon here, 1 carbon here, 2 carbon, then 2 you just write here. And how many hydrogen here? 2 and 2, 4 hydrogen. Then you write here. So by this you can balance. Same product, if you write same product H2SO4 and plus sodium carbonate Na2CO3. Then same product is there, SO4 plus CO2 and water. Once again, you just balance the chemical equation. I think it's already balanced. H2 there. How many carbon? Carbon 1 is there. Sulfur 1, oxygen 4 and 3 7. Then 4 to 6 and 1 7. It's a balance, already balanced. So these are the reaction by which we can show or we can know the chemical properties of acid. Now, another reaction. One application of this reaction, then application of this reaction, acid, application of this reaction using SAFE, SAFE. What the meaning of SAFE? Soda the meaning of SAFE is soda acid fire extinguisher. What is called? Soda acid fire extinguisher. Soda acid fire extinguisher. Generally, this process, this application, here used when the fire is there, because in this reaction the carbon dioxide gets involved with the pressure, and that carbon dioxide gas can extinguish the fire. So you just see the reaction, same reaction, you just take the H2SO4 plus sodium bicarbonate. This is also known as baking soda. Reaction there, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 plus CO2 plus water. Just see here. So this is the reaction by which we can apply, or generally used to apply during fire is there, anywhere fire is taught, then that time for the extinguishing of fire we are just using this reaction. In this reaction takes place in that one cylinder. I am just going to design the cylinder. That cylinder is, just see, cylinder is there. Inside cylinder one tube is there. Just see, and one exit tube is there. What you can see, already that sodium bicarbonate solution is there inside. But inside the tube, that H2SO4, conc H2SO4 is there. So why the conc H2SO4 in that glass tube? It is insert inside the cylinder, the metallic cylinder. So whenever required, actually that reaction is not already taken, but whenever you require for the extinguishing of the fire, you just invert this cylinder, and just you put or make jerk on that hard surface. Due to this, the tube of this cylinder break down, and that's why the H2SO4 plus CO2 will react to each other. Sodium bicarbonate solution react to each other and form that sodium sulfate plus CO2 and water. See, so CO2 gas is by this cylinder, the CO2 gas evolve forcefully and make the pressure on the area of the flame, and finally the carbon dioxide. We know that the carbon dioxide is not supporter of fire. So after that the fire will go off, fire will extinguish. That's why this reaction, the application of this reaction is used in the fire SAFE, soda acid fire extinguisher. So this is the application of chemical reaction when acid get to the salts. That's all. In the next class we'll have the uses of acid and the introduction of about the base. Okay, till then, bye.